Hey, welcome back. Today we're gonna make an Almond Joy Shake, and I'm pretty excited about this one because who doesn't love an Almond Joy? But to make this, what we're gonna use is we're gonna use our Dutch chocolate Formula One healthy meal, and we're going to use our vanilla protein drink mix. We also are going to use some butterscotch sugar-free pudding mix. We're going to use a little bit of shredded coconut, and we're going to, as always, use 2 cups of ice and 3/4 of a cup of water. And that's about it. So I'm gonna get this all in the blender and get it mixed up, ready to go. Now, on your protein drink mix, this is one of the things that your coach will customize for you. So you'll either use 1 scoop or 2 scoops of the protein drink mix, depending on your personalized protein needs. So ask your coach what your needs are, or if your coach has already given that to you, make it the way your coach says. If you don't have a coach and you're looking for some guidance, certainly reach out. I'd be happy to help you figure out what your plan should be. Okay, now that's all mixed up. Have that perfect texture in here. Now in our cup, what we're gonna do is just a little bit of chocolate syrup. Just want a couple little splash marks on the side. A little bit of butterscotch, or caramel, I mean. Pour about half of this in. Now what I want to do is I want to put chocolate around the top.